Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable and use Music Haptics on your iPhone. Music Haptics is a brand new accessibility feature that allows you to feel the rhythm and beat of music through taps, textures, and vibrations. This can be especially helpful for people who are deaf or hard of hearing, but it can also be a fun and immersive experience for everyone. That's it, let's get started. So first up, you have to launch the Settings app on your iPhone running iOS 18 or later. And then you have to scroll down a bit and choose the Accessibility option. After that, select the Music Haptics option. And then you have to turn on the toggle right next to Music Haptics. Besides, you can also tap on Play Sample option to check how Music Haptics works on your iPhone. And now let's learn how to use Music Haptics feature on your iPhone. To do so, just open the Apple Music app or any other music app that supports Music Haptics feature. And then you have to start playing any song as usual. And then you can feel the taps, textures, or vibrations that correspond to the rhythm and beat of the music. Interestingly, you can also add the Music Haptics icon to your iPhone control center. To do so, just swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to bring up the control center. And then you have to tap on the plus button at the top left corner of the screen. And then you have to tap on Add a Control button at the bottom. And then you have to find the Music Haptics icon and select it. And from now onward, you can trigger the Music Haptics feature by just tapping on this very icon right from the control center, and there you have it. Now that you have unlocked this neat feature, make the most of it to spice up your music listening experience. And I'll catch you up in the next one with more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. Take care. Bye-bye.